If you have spent any time these past few weeks over the internet swiping through social media, you have probably heard about ChatGPT. The amazing chatbot was created by OpenAI and made public in November last year. It actually is an easy and handy AI-based tool that can deliver incredibly convincing, human-like pieces of writing in response to any request you make to it. For example, you might ask the tool to write a plot description for a movie but with changing the main character. Also, it may help in fixing errors in a programming code or in writing persuasive essays that, as claimed by some scholars, could help students in getting an A on tests. According to several people, it has surprised them so much that some have even declared that Google will go out of job, at least in the area of providing samples for writing. Others believe that this story goes well beyond Google. Human jobs are in danger too. ChatGPT has gained enormous popularity online since its introduction. Can you believe that it reached 1 million users in the span of mere 5 days? To compare, Instagram took a wild 2.5 months to reach this milestone. According to The Guardian, professors, programmers, and journalists could all be out of a job in just a few years. Information Age, which is the main publication of the Australian Computer Society, made a similar claim as well. According to The Telegraph, the bot might do your job better than you. However, we'd suggest you not to jump onto making a decision just yet. Numerous jobs have faced the threat of automation owing to the quick development of artificial intelligence, AI, technologies. Companies have already started to use tools like ChatGPT for automating customer support and even producing content for their web pages. Thus, it is expected that more and more jobs would be replaced by robots and machines in the coming years. The rise of ChatGPT and other AI technologies is a clear example of this. Still, people think that this might have a silver lining too. Employees who previously performed these duties can now concentrate on more crucial responsibilities. However, the question of how far this technology can advance and if it can ever completely replace human work is also being raised across several sectors. Although a majority of the world has been wooed by the bot, many still claim that the results are far from perfect. Some ChatGPT responses contain illogical reasoning, bias, and errors. Still, these flaws are frequently covered up by an extremely confident writing style. The wide variety of subjects and the quick speed with which the bot can deliver a draft instantly are startling. People today are using the tool to compose a large range of tasks. A student wanting to compose an outline for an assignment, a company trying to think of a caption for its social media posts, a programmer seeking help with a piece of code they are stuck on, a lawyer wanting to draft a legal document. All of these are as easy for ChatGPT as snapping a finger. Former Bloomberg opinion contributor Noah Smith and famous AI researcher Ron also outlined the sandwich model as the future direction for human-AI cooperation. This is how it works. The human prompts the AI, bread. A choice-based menu is generated by AI, center fillings. Human picks a choice, update it, and add whatever customizations they desire, bread. Smith and Roon said that the method is applicable to any kind of generative AI, text, visual, etc., and they provided many extremely pertinent examples as well, stating that this is how lawyers would be writing their legal papers and how administrative assistants would compose their emails and memos. Marketers would be able to get a marketing idea, produce text in bulk, and add finishing touches as they'd please. Consultants would be creating entire PPT presentations based on a brief concept. Financial analysts would be given an Excel template with data sources that are automatically filled in. Now coming back to the main question, who will be most affected by the advent of ChatGPT and similar AI-based writers? Experts say that copywriters, bloggers, and programmers are most at risk by these tools. Yet, will they be replaced? That is up to you to decide. Let's see an example to answer this question more clearly. Say you are writing an ad for a product or service. The AI wouldn't be able to write the exact description of the offering in comparison to how you, a human who knows about it personally, could do. It certainly can't add emotions to writing like you, can it? Furthermore, Programmers with a lot of experience may see ChatGPT as a way to only automate some time-consuming coding tasks. Nevertheless, this AI tool could be threatening to beginner programming positions. Another niche that might be influenced by ChatGPT is customer support. These trained AI bots can answer basic questions and queries, along with adding that personalized touch, so customers feel like they are actually talking to a real human. Therefore, humans might only be required to respond to customers with many complex issues that aren't generic. The rest basic services can easily be taken over by the tool. Amazingly, ChatGPT even understands the ethical concerns of using AI in this situation. According to ChatGPT, many people are concerned about the potential for AI to automate jobs, and there are also concerns about privacy and bias in AI systems. There is no doubt that AI has already had a significant impact on the art industry. AI is being used to digitize the works of artists, both alive and dead, who are essentially being ripped off their credits. This is because the AI tool develops art based on their work. Sounds very similar to plagiarism, no? But it doesn't seem like a big stretch to argue that humans would soon be replaced in the writing field, just like factory labor has been replaced by robots to a large extent. So why spend money on a human writer when AI can produce your required results for you for almost nothing? By using AI to compose their writings, blogs, and social media posts, companies may be able to save thousands of dollars. Still, for writers and even programmers, this is a very unsettling thought. Hence, what can they do to combat this? Simply be who you are. You alone have your own voice. Your writing will always be yours unless someone somehow enters your writing into AI and copies it, similar to the case of painters or digital artists. Keep on learning, reading, and writing. Set aims. And most importantly, have fun with what you're doing. Writing is, in the end, a completely creative task. Original, new works of art cannot be produced by humans daily, nor can AI achieve this. There are still, at least, certain restrictions to even the most advanced technologies. Of course, if you type in the command, "Write a post about cats," the tool will deliver the required content. Yet there would only be a limited amount of words in this essay. And when you ask it to try once again, an identical piece appears. Or at least, something very close to the previous one. The best work can, and will always still be, done by a human in the end, who can and will make adjustments, accept criticism, and deliver the content as required. In the end, it's still unclear if ChatGPT and other similar AI-based bots will eventually replace people at their jobs. Although these technologies have the ability to completely transform a variety of sectors, they have their own issues and restrictions as well. Thus, it still would be up to us to determine how to strike a balance between the advantages of AI and any potential drawbacks or effects on the technology on employment or other aspects of daily life.